everyone, so today me and my sister are making brownies. We're making brownies for Mother's Day. And as we go, I'm going to be writing the recipe in my recipe book because I want to start doing more. Okay, so let's get started. So what we need is 185 grams of unsalted butter. What's next?
275 grams of golden caster sugar.
Ooh. It's not very gold to me.
I don't really know if it's golden or not, but it's sugar.
It's sugar. And then what?
Then we need 185 grams of the best dark chocolate.
The best.
It's got to be the best, but it's not.
Gotta be the best. Well, you haven't seen our Sainsbury's Basics
chocolate.
50 grams of white chocolate and milk chocolate.
Woo!
Woo!
Only 50p.
Only 50p.
A bargain. Then we've 85...
50 grams or 50... Oh no, it was 100 grams.
Yeah.
Never mind.
And 85 grams of plain flour.
Ooh.
Oh, and then we have the 40 grams of cocoa powder.
And 3 large eggs.
Oh yeah.
So first we take the unsalted butter and cut it into small cubes and tip it into a medium bowl. So next is break 185 grams of dark chocolate into small pieces and drop it into the bowl. There's the bowl. And there's the dark chocolate.
Can you get a pan?
I can boil a kettle. What's a pan?
I can boil a kettle. I can boil a kettle. What's a pan?
No, but like, which one is a pan?
Let's see if it fits in here. Because we want,
what do you mean? What, like that?
Yeah. Oh, actually, that's perfect. Because then it has a
I'm
bit of
perfect at picking the pan.
A PPP.
A
You can put that on the
PPP.
stove.
I'll put that on the stove.
I'm putting the butter and chocolate on a saucepan that is filled a quarter of the way with boiling water to put it up on a low heat. Let's put it on a low... I thought I'd turn up to 6 then, that's not a low heat.
That's not a low heat. So that's what it should look like.
It shouldn't be touching the water.
Fun fact! So, learn from our mistakes.
And we have many. As seen from our first cooking video. Link in the bio. Haha.
No! Actually, I will.
Maybe. Then you get to see our disasters.
And then you get to see our
fails.
dropping the sugar on the floor.
Shh, don't spoil it.
Oh, sorry. Leave it to cool, and then while you wait for the chocolate to cool, position a shelf in the middle of your oven and turn the oven on to fan 160 degrees centigrade or conventional 180 degrees centigrade or gas 4. So we have a fan oven. So 160 it is. Using a shallow 20cm square tin, cut out a square of non-stick baking parchment to line the base.
I mean, I brought 2 out just in case it doesn't all fit in one.
Okay, so it says... Oh, dropped the pen. Tip 85 grams of plain Tip 85 grams of plain flour and 40 grams of cocoa powder into a sieve held over a medium bowl.
Nice.
Tap and shake the sieve so they run through together and you get rid of any lumps.
Bless you. Oh gosh, don't die.
Remember when I used to just do it with a spoon and everyone was like, no, shake it. I was like, no, I don't like shaking.
I don't want to shake it.
But this is actually more fun.
I did it in a bit more of a higher pitched voice.
Gosh, it's like rocks.
Yeah, you want to.
I don't want to shake it. I don't want to shake it. Chop 50 grams of white chocolate and 50 grams of milk chocolate into chunks on a board. And the next step, my favourite, is to break the 3 large eggs into a large bowl. So we'll do that first.
It's a good egg, isn't it?
It's a good egg.
It's a good egg.
And now put these in your local food bin. Local, I'm not sure. And wash your hands. After this, you want to tip in 275 grams of golden caster sugar.
We need a new spoon. No, we don't.
No, we don't. You want to get an electric mixer and on maximum speed, whisk it. And when they're done, they will look thick and creamy like a milkshake. So next, what we want to do is pour the now cooled chocolate mixture over the eggy mousse, and gently fold together with a rubber spatula.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find.
Plunge the spatula in at one side, take it underneath and bring it up the opposite side and in again at the middle. I have no idea what that means.
I'll do it.
Continue going under and over in a figure of 8, moving the bowl round after each folding so you can get at it from all sides until the 2 mixtures are one and the colour is a mottled dark brown. The idea is to marry them without knocking out the air, so be as gentle as slow as you like. What? There, that's what it should look like. Woo! So next, what we want to do, oh, you can't see our face. What we want to do is hold the sieve over the bowl of eggy chocolate mixture and re-sift the cocoa and flour mixture, gently fold in this powder using the same figure of 8 action as before. The mixture will look dry and dusty at first and a bit unpromising. If you go in very gently and patiently, it will end up looking gungy and fudgy.
Nice.
Stop just before you feel you should. Thanks.
That's cool.
As you don't want to overdo this mixing.
Why? Why would you do that?
Next, stir in the white and milk chocolate chunks until they're dotted throughout. So now we want to pour the mixture into the tin, which is over there, and scrape in every bit out of the bowl. Yeah, one would assume. Put it in the oven and set your timer for 25 minutes.
Nice.
And make sure that you put it into all the nooks and crannies. So now we put it into the oven. We've got the timer on and we'll be back in 25 minutes. So it's been 25 minutes and now we're going to take them out the oven. Off you go, Kerish.
Thank you. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, yeah. Woo! I zoomed in, but you took it away.
Oh, do you want me to redo that?
No, it's fine. Okay, so it said that the next thing is to cut it up into quarters and then cut the quarters into 4 pieces. Just cut it up.
No, I shouldn't. Yeah, you need to leave it to cool for a bit.
You need to leave it to cool for a bit.
Because otherwise, at the moment it's really runny. So if you cut into it now, all the sides will just collapse back into the cut.
I
Yeah.
did not know that.
Hi.
Don't make that mistake, as I would if I was doing it.
I've done that before. It was pointless.
It was pointless.
It was.
Okay, so here we go. That is, I'm squatting. That is the end of the video. So if you enjoyed, then please give this a thumbs up and comment below what you want me to do next. And thank you, Kerith, come here. Thank you for
Squat.
squat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And yeah, I'll see you next time. Okay. The robot. Okay. Bye.
Bye.